This video is for everyone who wants to know what a zip file is, how to create a zip file, and also why you need to convert your files and folders into a zip file. If you're one of those people, then stick around, watch this video from start to end, because I will be unveiling to you one of the most popular open source file archiver application called 7zip that can be used to unpack any compressed file or folder. 7zip is an alternative to applications like unzip, WinRAR, but the beauty with 7zip is that it's a completely free and safe file archiver that you'll ever need. So let's head over to my computer and I show you exactly how to download and install 7zip on your PC. To download and install 7zip on your PC, you will open any browser of your choice on your computer. For my case, I will go ahead and open Google Chrome. And when it opens, in the search bar or the URL area, I will type 7zip and hit enter key on the keyboard. I've put a link in the description of this video to help you quickly access the download page. So please go ahead and click on this first option over here, which will redirect you onto the download page. And on this page, you have a number of options to choose from depending on which operating system that you're running. If you're running a 64-bit version of Windows 10, you have to choose this first option over here. And to double check which version of operating system you're running, you head over to the taskbar in the search area and you type settings, hit enter. And in this search bar over here, you say about your PC. Click once, and when you do that, you'll see the device specifications pop up over here, and then you'll see the system type that you're currently running. So let's head back to the download page, and for my case, I will choose this first option over here. Click once. The download should immediately start and it won't take long. So when it gets done, I will open the folder that contains the download. And then what you have to do is to double click and install. The installation should not last for even more than 20 seconds. So when it gets done, then you can close this window and minimize your browser. And now to confirm if your 7zip has been successfully installed, you head over to any zip file that exists in your computer. You right click, you'll see the 7zip option pop up over here. And you have a number of options to choose from. You can open that zip file directly. You can extract files to any folder of your choice. And also you can create new zip files using the 7zip standard file format. So let's go ahead and pick this first option here to open the zip file. So this is how it opens, and you will see all the files that are contained into this zip file over here. So you can extract these files and drag and drop them in any folder of your choice. So that's how simple you can download and install the 7zip file archiver on your PC. By the way, if you're still wondering on how to create a zip file without using any of these applications like 7zip, WinRAR, WinZip, I have a full video tutorial that walks you through step by step how to do that, and I've put a link in the description of this video. It's also currently showing on your screen somewhere, so please go ahead and watch that one as well. If you're still asking yourself, why should I really go ahead and convert my files into a zip file? Well, first of all, zip files will save you storage space on your computer and also help in improving the efficiency and performance of your PC. Secondly, is that when you compress those files, it becomes much easier to share over the internet and any other storage media devices. And also the most important part is that you can create password protected zip files using 7zip and send it over the internet, which is a plus in terms of securing your data over the internet. So in my next video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can create password protected files that you can share over the internet to improve the security of your data. Thank you everyone for watching, and if you found this video helpful, support us by commenting and liking this video, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any future videos like this.